our cup runneth over. Now, who wants to go up and for a brand new motherfucking world? All right. Morty, I'm a drunk, not a hack. Get swifty. Bah. I can't wait to watch your adventure, lay a huge fart. I wasn't born into the god business. I fucking earned it. Bah. Put a saddle on your universe. Let it kick itself out. And that's why I always say, lippity dop. Ah, it's a figure of speech, Morty. They're bureaucrats. I don't respect them.
I hope you've enjoyed this third installment of Rick quotes from Rick and Morty. More to come.